How's it going, man?
Good, man. How's it going with you?
Busy.
This is beautiful.
Yeah. 2020 Street Glide. Totally customed out. Real nice bike. Yeah, it looks real nice.
That's worth having to look at on his own, right?
Oh yeah. Yeah, a lot of custom colors. I like the gold color scheme. It looks real good.
Yeah.
No. Those are it's like a cylinder for the suspension.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you could adjust it right there on the spot. So this one's getting a ceramic coating. We prepped it, we did a decon wash, we got it all nice and clean, and now we're coating it with the ceramic coating. Protects the paint, gives it more shine. This should last about a year. Wow, actually no, I think this one's a 3-year if I'm not mistaken, I'm sorry. Yeah, try to get it as much as possible.
Have you done the rest of it already?
I pretty much did the rest of it already, yeah. The rims are a little bit more tedious, so I kind of save those for last. But yeah. So the steps to get it to this point, we have to polish the bike, which, you know, obviously, like I said, we wash it really good to get everything off. And then what it does do, it's got what's called hydrophobic properties. And what that means is just a fancy way of saying that it kind of repels water. It's kind of like a Rain-X, but more, yeah. And it gives it more gloss. Once this cures, it takes about 12 to 24 hours. It cures, it'll really set into the paint and give it even more gloss. It turns out really nice at the end. Surprisingly, there's people that actually want to do this. You know, it's an expensive package, but it turns out real good. It really does.
What does this cost?
So for this bike's about $950. Yeah. Yeah.
But you're talking about a 3-year finish.
It's a 3-year protection. As long as you maintain it, you give it your washes with some good soap. You don't let it get too bad. Then yeah, it'll last you all of 3 years. It'll look real good.